Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Wave Watch with your host, Sleepy Bull. Excuse me. And tonight we will be talking about Avalanche. Avalanche is one of those interesting cryptocurrencies that has a very unique structure right now. The structure shows the inklings of very successful and starting cryptocurrency and has a lot of potential for growth. Though the fundamentals are, for me at least, a little questionable. So in this video, I'll be focusing on solely the wave structure and future projections of Avalanche, and nothing else. I just only focus on waves. I disagree with the inflation rate of Avalanche, but if you want to make money, just follow the waves, right? So yeah, we'll be going over the wave structure, the bull scenario, the bear scenario, and the short-term projections and long-term projections. Let's begin. This is, for all intensive purposes, I scaled down my degrees. I'm going to consider this a primary one. In reality, it's a minute, but let's just go with it. All right, so I have primary 1 here. It's made up of the intermediate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And, these wave structures check out here. Always we have to make sure that we have the alternation in place. And as you can see, we have it right there. Sideways and sharp corrections. We have the 5th wave up, followed by A, B, C wave triangle, which is A, B, C, D, E. Let me just take these EMAs so you can see that a little bit more clearly there. I like to lay on the fib so that you can see exactly where we fall on, but let me just remove that for all intensive purposes. Normally, of course, like always, the bear market bottom is the bottom of the 4th wave, which we had exactly on Avalanche. So it's one of the reasons why it's bullish. It's 80% down, but it's 5x off the lows. So this would have been a beautiful opportunity to buy. It's still a great opportunity to buy. The target for this structure is, of course, the top here, wave 5. And we also had a beautiful landing on the 2618 or 272. We always do wicks here. I mean, we always avoid wicks, but in this case, we can't avoid it 100%. So let's attempt closing. See, sometimes the closing doesn't work, so we have to go with the wicks. The volatilities are what gives you the wicks and gives you the potential changes here. So wick to wick and close to close, it gives us roughly a 272, let's say 2.414 Fibonacci trend extension, or trend projection. That's the level that marks the lows. Now, it's a clear 1, 2 structure down on wave E, followed by a wave 1. Very simple. Avalanche is very simple. Now, Avalanche is putting in some, what I like to call, bearish divergence. if you notice here, we have the trend structure diverging up while our RSI is diverging down. The bull scenario, the bull case, will have our RSI trending down, price action trending up, giving this wave 2 correction a larger reversal down to a 2, retesting the top of this breakout. That'll be a deep wave 2 for a WXY with an overshoot here. That's the bull case. Obviously this divergence is bearish, but the question is it short-term or long-term bearish? And like I stated before, Avalanche, most wave structures put in a bottom at wave 4. So we have to expect this to be here, retest, and then off to the races for a wave 3. I would be in the camp of buying more Avalanche if we retest this low right here. That'd be a great opportunity to buy right there, and this would be a BC of some sort, and then off to a 3, 4, 5. There we go. 3, 4, 5 at 240 or 662. The bear case could be a little bit crazier. Sometimes we have the retracements of wave 2 being the 618 or 236 rather said retracement level of of the full extension of the full wave 1 here. So we could be looking at a wave 2. Again, this is a crazy bear case for a large deep correction wave 2. We normally get this bear case down here, but since this is a wave 2, wave 2s usually go down here. Let's see what happens, right? This is in case of an extreme scenario. This is the bear case. This would make a larger degree a B top here, C bottom here for a wave 2, and that will be your wave 2 for Avalanche. Now this would of course be like a crisis scenario. We're talking about 08 style and whatnot, but that would be your time to buy, because that would indicate wave 3 to come is on its way. But that, depending on the macro and what the other indices are doing, that will be a potential scenario. But right now, everything seems to be pointing to just this being a wave 1, wave 2 on the 0.5 and continuing onward. Again, a drop like this would be 95, which is not unheard of in crypto. But since, the last drop was 92, odds are we'll probably be seeing an 80% drop. So something like 83 or something like that for a wave 2. So don't be surprised if you see this drop here. Yeah, and then wave 3 to come, 4, 5. So that is my analysis on Avalanche. Hope you all like it. Have a great night. Sleepy Bull out.